Welcome to my channel Art Fire Flowers by Amy. Today I will be teaching you how to make a very easy silk flower. Bienvenidos a mi canal. El día de hoy te voy a estar enseñando cómo hacer una florecita súper extremadamente fácil de hacer y que se ve bien bonita. No te lo pierdas. So the process that we are going to be using is extremely simple, and this is actually perfect for beginners. If you were thinking about making a flower, this could be probably the easiest process to make one. As you can see, there is only a long piece of fabric, and I start sewing from the middle, but you will see in the video that I will start sewing not super straight but a little bit skewed, because I want to have kind of like a cool messy effect of this flower. Bueno, como puedes ver, el proceso es muy sencillo. Solamente empiezo a hilvanar de la parte de en medio de la tela para poder hacer mi flor. Puedes ver en el video que no estaré hilvanando súper derecho toda la tela, porque quiero que tenga un efecto un poco locochón, para que tenga un poco de personalidad. Así que ese es el efecto que quiero el día de hoy. Y bueno, tú puedes intentarlo súper derechito si tú quieres y ver qué tal, si te gusta un poco más. Pero es bastante sencillo. So this is basically what you do, and to finish it up, as you can see, try to tie it, make a knot so that you can have it very nicely tied together. Bueno, solamente hay que repasarle ahí con la tela para que no no se vaya a desconchinflar toda la flor, para que esté toda asegurada. I have many other videos in my channel that are related with other type of flowers, and some I use silk. So I will leave a link here at the end so that you can have a look. They are very different designs. En mi canal también tengo otro tipo de telas o otro tipo de flores que hice también con la misma tela seda, y están muy bonitos. Te los voy a dejar aquí para que los veas. Son diseños totalmente diferentes, y también pues tengo de muchísimos tipos de flores que pueden ser buenos tanto con seda como algo que no es seda. What you can put in the back is up to you. I just want this to be a brooch, so that's why I'm putting this. You can put something else. It depends what you would like to use it on. You can even sew it on something, a blouse, a dress, or a backpack or something. But the idea is that this is just a brooch, but you can use your imagination and do whatever you want. And also the decoration in the middle is just up to you. I just use fresh water pearls because I really love them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a nice comment, and see you soon in a very soon future video. Thank you. Adiós. See you. Nos vemos pronto.